Hello! Hi. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by today's title of the video, we're going to be doing my makeup travel essentials. What do I put in my makeup bag whenever I travel away? So this is something that I wanted to go ahead and make an updated version of because I actually already have a video of my makeup travel essentials from last year, and I wanted to go ahead and create a new one because I think I'm getting a smidgeling better at bringing less. I'm still not sure on that, but I digress. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the things that I have been packing with me this year whenever it comes to vacations. Now, as you guys have seen by a few vlogs that I have put up this year, that's something that I started to do, and most people tell me they like them. I mean, I don't know, they say they're fun. But I travel to Florida pretty frequently. I just do a lot of random traveling throughout the year, and I always just have kind of these staple products that I will throw in my bag and go. So I've tried to film this video a little bit different. I'm trying to be like a real YouTuber. You know, the way that I filmed this video, it's probably not going to work the way I want it to, but I tried. So I figured I would just grab some products. I will show you kind of like a still shot of what they look like, making them look all fancy, and we will put them in the bag. Okay? Okay. Let's go traveling. Let's go on vacation. Bye. So the bag that I take with me to put all my makeup products in is the exact same bag that I took last year. And it is just this Louis Vuitton, what are you called? Cosmetic French word big bag. Oh my god, I suck. For somebody who loves designer things, I don't know a damn thing about them. It's just basically this large Louis Vuitton cosmetic bag. This is what she looks like on the innards. I mean, there's a lot of room in here. She's a wide bitch, you know? So I can fill her pretty well. This is just the bag that I use because like I said, it's big. I can fit a lot in here. Let's get the fill in the bag, shall we? So the very first thing that I always do whenever I start my makeup routine is primers. So I will go ahead and insert that still shot of the primers that I use. I know they're beautiful. Yeah, I bet you guys didn't see those coming. So I will throw those in the bag. Oh god. Oh no, it landed in the trash. No, it's not where you live. Get out of there. You're too good for that. Once I have primers on my face, the very next step is foundation. And unfortunately, the foundation that I like to travel with, I do not have a physical piece of. I don't have the actual item, and I meant to grab it and I just haven't had time. Story of my life. But the product that I like to use is the Makeup Forever HD Foundation Stick. It is a pricey product, however, this foundation just performs so well. If I had it, I'll put a picture of it so you guys can know what on earth I'm talking about, but I'm sure you already know because this is a very common staple foundation for most people when it comes to traveling. But we would put her in the bag if I had her, but I don't. You just want to be in a video, you want to be a star, you want to be a YouTuber. Ugh. Okay, so tell us what you would bring on vacation. What are your favorite makeup products that you bring on vacation when we go places? Huh? Oh, I see. I see. Those are good things. Oh, we got a jealous sibling. Quit. Leave her alone. She's having her 15 seconds of fame. Leave her alone. So, the next product would be concealer. Right? Concealer. So, the concealer that I always bring with me is the old trusty Shape Tape. So, we're gonna put it in the bag. I have problems. Oh, yes! Color correcting. This is also something that I bring with me, usually because I am exhausted on vacation. Even though my vacations are very fun and I really enjoy them, we are usually non-stop every day, all day, the entire vacation. So I get tired. I am somebody that whenever I need to rest, I literally just need to rest. I don't do that often, and I'm usually tired all the time, so color correctors are my jam. Woo! So the one that I like to use is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. You guys will see it in this here beautiful still shot. I know, it's very high quality. That's the one that I like to use. I just pop it on there before I put on my concealer. So we're gonna put her in the bag. Time for powder. These are probably some of the largest products that I put in my bag. The products that I like to bring with me is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent, my under eye baking powder, which is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace, and then I just always bring with me a type of foundation powder. The one that I have been using currently is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Nude. All of them we want to put in the bag. Okay, so kind of moving forward, I will be using basically one palette for like 4 or 5 different products. So the palette that I am talking about is one that I have purchased within the past month and just fell in love with. It is just perfect for somebody who obviously is traveling, wants to travel light, but has everything that they need. So this product is the Smashbox The Cali Contour Shape Bronze and Glow Palette. That's a mouthful. I mean, this palette is amazing. I love it. It literally has everything I need, from bronzer to contour to like a yellow under eye setting powder to help brighten up the under eyes after baking, blush, and 2 highlight shades. This palette has literally everything, so that saves me so much room in my bag as far as bringing products, and it's just so compact. So we're gonna put her in a bag. Okay, so now we are on to brows. So I try to be a little less diva-ish on vacation when it comes to my brows, and I try to stick to a pretty natural brow. So I will bring these 3 products with me. The first one is the MAC Lingering Eyebrow Crayon. I love this product because it is just, it's very creamy. It almost feels like a gel type product whenever it goes on. Like, I don't know, it's just not your normal pencil, and I really enjoy it. So in the bag you go. Then the next product is the Catrice Long Lasting Brow Definer Pencil or crayon or tattoo, whatever this is. This product they don't even make anymore, or if they do, I cannot find it. It is so wonderful. It is kind of like a dupe for the Kat Von D Tattoo Brow. I love how it has this really pointy end to it, like this felt tip pointy end. And then the last thing to set my brows into place is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is a staple for me. I have to bring this product. Even whenever I don't do my brows and I'm rocking them real natural, I still will kind of basically hairspray them into place with this product so that they look fabulous. So in the bag. So the next product will be my eyeshadow palette that I bring with me. And I try to bring one that has a whole slew of shades that I could do a whole bunch of different looks with, even though I usually don't when it comes to vacation. I'm pretty natural. Like, I will rock something like what I've got on right now pretty much every day because it is just so easy and I can do it very quickly and just move on for the next activity. So the palette that I typically will bring with me is usually one of the Tartelette palettes because they are so compact and they just have so many beautiful colors in them to work with. So this year I've decided to bring the Tartelette Toasted palette. I love the shades in this. This is just, it's my jam. It's the warm, just orangey, bronzy, maroony type shades. I love that shit. This is her and she going in the bag. Also, I mean, it's another pretty compact palette, so it'll fit in there nicely next to the Smashbox palette. Let's talk about some liners. Okay, so I will always bring with me a kohl liner and a liquid liner. So the ones that I have pictured here are the Bloody London AM to PM kohl liner. This liner is so fantastic, and it is drugstore, so it has a beautiful price point. I love that. And then the other product is one that's actually pretty new to me, but I have been really impressed with it thus far. And that is the, I think it's Scone Cosmetics Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner. Now, something that I unfortunately struggle with whenever I'm on vacation is watery eyeballs. So anytime that I want to do a wing liner or something like that, I really need something to be waterproof. Both of these are going in the bag. Yes, mascaras. So you know me, I'm bougie, and I like to use 2 different mascaras, one for the upper lashes and the lower lashes. The bottom lash mascara will not be a shock to anybody that watches this channel because it is the MAC Extended Play Lash. That is a mascara that I use frequently on this channel. But the other one that I have just discovered and have really been enjoying lately, so I'm going to be bringing it with me. This is the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel mascara. I'm going to put both of these in the bag. In you go. Oh, we're feeling nicely in here. We are filling up nicely. Now, let's bring some essential items before we go into lips, because that's usually what takes up all of my space. So I always bring with me my eyelash curler, duh, but I also always take this House of Lashes, basically like lash travel case, and it on the inside it holds 3 pairs of lashes, and then in the bottom it holds my applicators, which are like my tweezers, and the glue. So all of my lash application and lashes and all that stuff are nice and safe, kept in this little like travel container. So we're gonna put those in the bag. So the setting spray that I always take with me is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is just a staple product for me. I will take the travel version. Alright, so now time for lippies! Each photo kind of represents the different groups of lippies that I bring with me. So the very first one are my lipsticks that I bring with me. I basically focus more so on like nudes whenever I'm on vacation, just because it's the easiest to do, it's the easiest to touch up on, especially if I'm out at dinner or whatever. So I bring the majority of my products in the nude category. However, I always like to bring with me one bold lip just in case we're doing something like crazy fancy. So I threw in the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Rum. The next product, just because it is so versatile because it has a lip gloss attached to it, is the Tarte Lip Sculptor in the shade Adore. The very last lipstick product that I will bring with me is the Kylie Cosmetics and KKW collab cream liquid lipstick in the shade Kiki. That is my favorite shade out of that entire collection, so I always bring it with me just because it's so pretty and it looks good with everything and glosses on top and all that good stuff. So we put them in the bag. The next category of products that I bring with me are basically lip glosses and my lip liner. I usually only bring one lip liner with me because one good nude lip liner will cover the entire spectrum of lips that I want to do. So the lip liner that I always bring with me is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Naked 2. Putting her in the bag. And then the lip glosses that I like to bring with me, this should not be a shock to anybody, by the Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade White Russian in the bag. Then I love to bring this color because it's just I don't know, it's just different. It's just so different than anything else. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Sunset Strip. I love this orange glitter, something about it. And then the last gloss that I bring with me, because it is just such an easy staple gloss, especially if I don't want to wear makeup for the day, if I just put on this gloss. Yes! So this is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's kind of like her universal nude. Like, does it have a name? Gloss Bomb. Gloss Bomb. That's what it is. So she going in the bag. So I think that's kind of it, guys. That's pretty much everything that I bring with me on vacation. I know that sounds like a lot of products, but believe you me, that has condensed down so much. So much. Get it all situated in here, and we just gonna zip her up. And there we go. Everything that you could possibly need to create all sorts of looks, an entire assortment of looks, are tucked nicely in here in this bag. That's pretty much it, guys. That's what I bring with me on vacation. Now, if I have forgotten something, please let me know, because I will probably not know until I go to do my makeup on the first night of vacation and realize, I don't have blank. So if you guys have noticed something that I have forgotten, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell next to that, so you get notified every single time that I upload. Otherwise, YouTube will not tell you. And trust me, you want to come back. So, thanks again, guys. I appreciate all of your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!